Headlights cracked, but the frame seems solid. Let's clear the sand from the wheels. Right, on 3. Check the fuel lines, they look corroded. Yeah, this hose is brittle, needs replacing. Let's tighten this clamp, see if it holds. Good. Now check the wiring harness. Looks intact, we should test it. Look at these scratches, it's seen some rough roads. Yeah, the frame looks solid though. Check the headlight, it's cracked.
Winch is pulling, keep it steady. Roger, pushing now. Wheels are dragging hard. Dust is thick. Almost out, hold the line.
Almost got this front one tight. Good, check the rear. Looks secure, let's double check. All right, pulling the rear strap. All set, good to go. Front end first, how's the bumper alignment? It's off, we'll need to pull it. Noted, and the wheel arch? Rusted, needs new liners. Okay, that's the list. What's the scan say? Suspension codes. Let's check the front. Right, I'll grab a wrench. Good, I'll run the strut test. Sounds good. All right, lining it up now. Looks good. Pushing it in. Almost there. Tighten the bolts.
Got it, all secure. Hold it steady right there. Got it, clamp secure. Good, starting the bead now. Sparks are flying, looks solid. Almost done, check the fit.
Hand me the wrench. Let's get this caliper on. Got it, aligning the disc now. Good, tighten the top bolt. Done, check the alignment. Looks solid, final torque.
Hold it steady there. Got it, sparks are flying. Almost there, check the rust. Looks clear, good to go. All right, next one.
See this? Wiring's corroded. Yeah, harness is shot. Check the main relay. It's fried, we need a new one. Okay, I'll order it. Check the ECU.
Will do.
This seat is jammed in here. Okay, I'll loosen this bolt. Got it, try pulling now. All right, it's coming out. Good, next the dash.
Clear, holding steady. All right, let's get this gear off. Got it, shaft's clear. Look at the wear on these teeth. Yeah, replace it. Here's the new one. Okay, I'll tighten the bolts.
Let's polish this housing.
Right.
I'll tighten the fittings. Smooth it out, no imperfections. Almost there, looks perfect.
All right, lower it in.
Easy, bolting the mounts now.
Head bolts are next, keep it steady.
Looks good, let's fire it up.
Hell yeah.
All right, this piston is ready. Good, line it up with the sleeve. Inserting now, feel smooth. Perfect. Add the gasket next. Gasket's on, torque it down. All right, let's get this block cleaned up. Right, I'll get these ports. Check this bore, it's almost clean. Good, let's rotate it. Looks good, let's finish the other side.
Okay, let's get this exhaust pipe off.
Right, I'll hold it steady.
On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Got it.
Lowering it now.
Let's get this rust off first.
Right.
This panel's still dented. I'll hammer it out.
Okay, I'll hold the dolly.
Almost there.
Primer's ready, let's get this on. Surface looks clean, go for it. Spray now, watch the mist. Coverage is even, looks good.
See this rust? We have to sand it all down. Yeah, it's bad. Let's get to it. Starting on this panel now. Watch the edges. Don't go too deep. Looks good so far. Keep going. Steady pressure here on the hood. Got it. Looks better already. This fender needs more work. Right. Let's finish the bumper. Hit it hard on the bumper. Yeah, the grime is coming off. Perfect. Let's do the sides.
Surface is prepped and clean. Looks perfect, let's spray. Here's the gun. Got it, starting the coat. The paint is flawless, a perfect reflection.
Yeah, it's incredible. Let's check the panels.
See the alignment here? Spot on.
Perfect. This car is a masterpiece. All right, let's get these new headlights in. Right, hand me the new assembly. Here you go. Make sure it's seated right. Got it. Okay, secure. Flip them on. Perfect, they look great. Welcome. Let's see the craftsmanship. Perfect, tight stitching on every panel. Now for the passenger side. The wheel has flawless detailing.
Calibrating the fuel gauge now. Oil pressure is stable. Final check's complete.
All right, let's get the steering wheel fitted. Aligning it now, perfect fit. Just need to torque it down securely.
And keep it steady. Got it, going down slow. Perfect alignment, set it down. In place, let's bolt it.
Levels are good, almost done. Looks good, let me check the lines. All clear.
All right, here we go. First ignition. Look at that smoke burst, it's firing. Engine shaking, that's normal. Massive smoke burst, listen to that roar. We did it, she's perfect.
Incredible work, man, high five, hell yeah. Look at that engine bay, flawless, she'll fly. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Let's get this finish perfect.
Applying the compound now. Look at that shine. The wheels are next.
What a beauty.
Look at this finish. Perfect.
Yeah, it's ready for the reveal. Watch this.
Whoa, the lights!
The ultimate reveal.
All right, let's roll her out. She looks perfect. Careful on the transition. Perfect, stop here.
This F40 is incredible. The power is unreal. Hold on for this turn. Go, go, go. What a machine.
This Ferrari is a real beauty. Absolutely. The lines are just perfect. The engineering is flawless. She's a real masterpiece.